Hello guys, I'm Sajjad. Welcome to our channel. This is our video series of graph. This is our second part. If you didn't watch the first part, make sure you watch it, understand it, and then come back and watch this part 2. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you one of two traversal methods. There are two traversal methods of graph. One is BFS, second is DFS. In this video I'm going to show you the BFS. BFS is breadth first search. So now at first you have to understand what is traversing. Traversing is, suppose this is a graph, searching each element or each vertex of the graph is traversing. Visiting each node or each vertex of the graph is traversing. So now before I'm going to breadth first search, I'm going to point you 2 points. One is visiting the vertex, second is exploring the vertex. Now what is visiting and what is exploring, and what is the difference between visiting and exploring? Now suppose this is an island. So I'm flying over this island. I saw this island, took a picture of it, I located this island on Google Map. This is visiting. And then I landed on the island and roam each part or each corner of the island. That is exploring. So visiting each part of something in details is exploring. Visiting one part of that thing is just visiting. So now relate this thing into the graph. I'm going to move directly to the graph. So this is the graph. I'm going to show you the BFS. So I can start from any vertex. I can start from 6, I can start from 5, I can start from 4, I can start from 0. So there is the boundary of that. I have to start from 1, I have to always start from left or right. There is the boundary like that. So first here I'm going to start from the vertex 0. So starting from 0. So here I'm going to write the BFS traversal. So now in breadth first search we have to visit a vertex, then visit its adjacent vertices. When a vertex is visited, then after visiting the adjacent vertices, the vertex is completely explored. Remember this point. So I'm going to give a color so that we can easily understand what is explored, what is the explored vertices, or what are the visited vertices. So this is the visited vertices sign, and this is the explored vertices sign. So now I visited these vertices, so I'm writing 0 here. Now what I have to do, I have to visit its adjacent vertices. So now I visited these vertices, this vertex 6. Now after this I visited its adjacent vertices. So 1, now 5. So these vertices are the adjacent vertices of this vertex. So now you can ask a question like, why didn't you start from 5? Why did you start from 6? So here is also, there is no boundary. You can start from 5, you can start from 6. So you can start it in numerical order or in alphabetical order, but so I have done it in this way. So now see, these vertices are visited, and these vertices are the adjacent vertices of that vertex. So this vertex is completely explored as the adjacent vertices are visited. So now this is completely visited. I'm going to underline it, completely explored. So then I have to explore the adjacent vertices of these adjacent vertices. So this vertex's adjacent vertices is this. So I'm going to write 4, and this is already visited, so this is, let's leave it. So there is no part visited, no part left unvisited. This is also visited, so I underline it. It's completely explored. Then I have to come in 1 because 0, 6, 1, this I should maintain the serial. So then 1 is visited. Now adjacent vertices should also be visited in order to explore this. So once adjacent vertices are these 2, now there is no part left unvisited, so 1 is completely explored. So line it. So now 5. Now 5's only one part is unvisited. This is 3. So 3, there is no part left unvisited. So this is completely visited. Now see, these parts are completely explored. So now these vertices would also be completely explored. So now starting from 4, this is completely explored, so I have to underline it before. So I'm starting from 4. So 4, there is no part left unvisited, so it is completely explored. Let's come to 2. So 2's every part is visited, so completely explored. Now let's move to 3, because so if we see that every part is visited, no part left unvisited, so it is completely explored. So guys, this is our video for BFS. I hope you like it and understand it. Thank you. If you liked it, subscribe and leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, guys. See you in another video.